Hello, I'm Trevor, of course. My partner's Hannah. Remy, if you're grading this, you're the best. Anyway, our presentation is on cognitive stimulation in aging adults. So, no one wants Alzheimer's disease, I hope. Um, so, there's a few factors to all neurodegenerative disorders. It includes our genetics. Of course, some people just are predisposed to this. Our environment. This was actually interesting to learn about, like pollutants and toxins can actually increase our risk of neurodegenerative disorders. Um, I know lead poisoning that can cause a lot of um, issues with our brain, but also lifestyle choices like diabetes, obesity, hypertension. These all increase our risk of developing these disorders, and of course, just biological aging. So, as we get old, uh, our cells are less efficient at what they do. Our organs don't work as well as they used to. People talk about getting old and not feeling good. That's true for our brain as well. Um, so lifestyle cognition hypothesis is pretty much a fancy way of saying that if you stay intellectually stimulated and physically active and socially engaged, then you can help prevent the onset of all these of keep your brain healthy pretty much. Um, there's a few things. There's a lot that is in your control, and you hear it all the time. Um, these aren't new things or crazy things. Sleep, get your 9 hours, 8 hours, whatever you need. It's super important. Memory consolidation, learning, physical repair, and clearance of neurodegenerative proteins, which I don't think you want to have. Exercise is another thing you hear it every day. Just go work out, go on a run, go on a walk, do what you can, move your body. Um, has huge benefits in mental health, psychological health, physical health, and of course, protecting against neurodegenerative disorders. Reducing stress, this is the silent killer, as they call it. Um, Stress has a whole host of issues that it does to your body. It's pretty rough if you don't get it managed. So just practice stress management because you don't want to deal with chronic disorders, including Alzheimer's. Staying mentally stimulated. This can be in a whole host of issues. If you like art, go draw something. If you like music, go make music. Be engaged, I'd say. Reading, do a puzzle. Of course, and of course, socializing is important, and this kind of has a secondary benefit. So, isolation causes stress, which then can lead to neurodegenerative diseases. Don't want that. And then preventing brain injury. So, you'll see higher rates of with these disorders in people who do like professional sports like football or boxing. But also as a child, if you hit your head when you're riding a bike, that can lead to issues in the future. Um, so what scientists kind of work on now is they're working like cognitive training. This is more of the psychological aspect of it, uh, getting older adults to be stimulated to use their mind to prevent like dementia and other neurodegenerative problems. Um, One of these is called cognitive stimulation therapy, and this is more of a formal set out um, therapy for usually older adults to help them keep engaged so they can go and talk about their lives, um, making like having memory recall. That's a helpful thing. That's stimulating. Um, Also like cooking or word searching puzzles, but you do it in a group setting, so you also get that extra benefit of socializing and being around other people. Um, that's basically it. Here's our references, um, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.